Hello, it's Miss Heather, piano and voice teacher here at Conservatory of the Ozarks, and today I'm here with
Emma.
Oh, also Emma and I are hair twins. Show your blue hair. It's on the other side. Other side.
Oh my gosh.
Hair twins. So we're gonna practice Silver Bells that Emma's learning for the Christmas show, and today we want to add some extra fancy things. So I'm just going to show this because it's not written in the book. So when Emma gets home, she'll know what to do if her mom's helping her or dad's helping her. We're going to use this as an intro and ending. So I'm going to play that here. Put the damper pedal down, jump an octave higher, and play it again. After lifting the damper pedal. Damper pedal down, jump into place, play the whole song. Play the whole verse, and then when you get to the end, jump an octave higher and play the whole thing again. And then after you play through the whole thing an octave higher, and you get to the end of the song, damper pedal down, jump up and play that again. And slow down. And then reach over with your left hand and hit the highest F on the piano.
Highest F.
Okay? So that will make the song a little fancier,
Fancy.
a little extra special, because Christmas is an extra special fancy time, isn't it?
Yeah.
You think you can remember how to do that when you get home?
Yeah.
Okay. Emma wrote in all the counts for all these eighth notes today. It was really impressive.